Ancestors. Yeah, definitely. Got it.
And do you know what a half brother, half sister is?
No, I don't know. I heard of half girlfriend,
Yes, the book.
but never heard of half brother and half girlfriend.
For example, your if okay, Muhammad.
What about
Okay.
you?
Um, yeah, so we are recording the session so you can look at it after, whenever you want to. That's all right with you?
No, no issue. Fine.
Okay. So, all right, Mahesh. So, I should tell myself about you. So,
Mm,
I am Tanya and I am from Delhi, as you already know. And I
mm,
have completed my master's in English literature and I have completed my, teacher training from Cambridge, UK and IDP,
okay.
Australia. Okay.
Oh,
And
that's great.
yes, I teach international as well as national students. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So, do you
And
want to tell me something about yourself?
yeah, definitely. My name is Mahesh Nagda, and I'm from Neemuch, Madhya Pradesh, and currently living in Indore. And I have done my graduation and now preparing for competitive examination.
I see. Okay. And what are your hobbies,
My
Mahesh?
hobbies are playing cricket, listening to music, reading books, and traveling,
Okay, all
etc.
of that's amazing. All
Yeah.
right. Nice to meet you, Mahesh. And have you gone through the PDF?
Yes, I've gone through the video.
Okay, so
I,
it's
I
about.
just I just read the topic. I didn't read it carefully. Like,
Oh, all right. So it's about childhood memory. So it's, very interesting topic according to me, right?
that's it.
So let's start. So
Hmm.
Mahesh, where did you spend, your childhood?
Yeah, I spent my childhood at my home and in my village with my friends and family, with my parents.
Okay. So
And
if
it
I
was the mm,
asked
that
you
was the
to,
amazing part.
that was an amazing part. Can you
Mm.
describe your village, your house a little bit, your home, the environment?
Okay, definitely. So my village is situated 10 kilometers from the city, which is Neemuch, and my village is almost dependent on the agriculture. Everyone is farmer there, and apart from that, our village is like very famous for the religious activities. As the all villagers are the Brahman community.
Okay, I see.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right. So
and
okay, go ahead.
yeah, and my family also in farming business, and we have fields, and we sow seeds there. We sow crops, different kinds of seeds as per the like weather or the season. And currently, as I would say wheat and gram and mustards kind of crops are there. They are being produced still in the like underdeveloped condition, and soon we will reap that harvest and get the product out of it. And
Okay.
as I talk about my home, then my home is situated at my fields. I would say earlier we used to live in the village, but now we have made our home at our farm. So it's like a farmhouse everywhere. We can see the greenery. We are living on the farm, so it's like fresh air, no noise pollution, no anything. So that is also best part of my house and
That's
my village.
amazing. That's so amazing. Okay.
Mm.
And if I tell you about the place I have been, and when I was a child, I would
Okay.
describe it, I was there in Lajpat Nagar. It's near Delhi, not in Delhi, it's near Delhi.
Mm.
So, there were really narrow lanes. Okay, there were a lot of students, and actually
Mm.
there were a lot of people there who were not, very. There were no wealthy families there. Okay, there were
Mm.
very, people who were not very rich. Okay, we were, very, in a very confined spaces. Okay, look at
Mm.
the words, confined spaces. Okay,
Mm.
spaces. We knew what was happening in each other's lives. But when I grew up a little bit, it was a high class, society, and
Mm.
they did not interfere in each other's matters after that. But earlier we were really happy and everyone knew about everyone. good also, bad also. So that's how. And my
Yeah,
parents,
so
yes,
Uh, so that is the best part about the villages, that everyone live together, everyone take care of everything, like neighbors, and whole village is like a family. We don't like the one other and there is other. Like we everyone is treating everyone like they are family members, and
that's right.
that is the best part about villages. Everyone like when something good happening, everyone will be there, and when something bad is happening, everyone definitely will be there to help them out to get out of that bad situation. So yeah,
Mm,
that is the best part, and all the rituals and all I would say uh, our culture, I would say, is alive in the village mostly, because in the cities we are following the Western culture rather than our Indian culture. So that is the also best part about the villages. I like the most that culture is live in the villages comparatively cities. And as the I would say Mahatma Gandhi said, that true India resides in its villages.
that is so right. I agree.
Yeah.
And
Mm.
villages are very nice. Whenever I hear, village people talking about anything, it is so interesting.
Mm.
They tell very nice stories, right, about their experiences.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. Okay, and what did you like the most about your childhood?
Okay, so my childhood, I would say, as we talk about childhood, so in everyone is like uh, very careless in our childhood. We don't need to take care of anything because our mother, our father, and parents is there to take care of everything. Like even we don't take care of our food, our clothes, either we are getting bath or not. Everyone is dependent on parents. We are just doing whatever we want to do. It doesn't matter how good we are looking, how we are eating, how like everything we are doing is like with
Mahi,
whatever we want to do.
you use the same sentence in past tense. We do whatever we want to do. Can you use the same sentences in the past tense? Because we're talking about the past.
No, I can't.
You can, come on.
Okay.
You can say,
Hmm.
we used to, roam around, right?
Hmm.
We did whatever we wanted to do,
Wanted
not
wanted to do.
wanted to do.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
And we didn't take care if we had a bath or not, if our clothes were clean or not, right?
Hmm. Hmm. Definitely.
That's right. So, you said we were careless, but I think careless is not the right word. What word can you use?
Reckless.
Okay, you could say we were all very easygoing.
Easygoing. Yeah.
Okay, we were easygoing, we were free as a bird, no
Yeah.
tensions, right?
Yeah. So, what is the best part about your childhood you like the most?
Well, about my childhood, I like that I was really, really innocent back then. And my best thing about, my childhood is my grandmother's place, because I would get to meet my cousins and we would perform magic tricks, we would
Hmm.
perform, we would, make tent houses out of
Yeah.
and tell
Yeah.
ghost stories. So I really
Mm-hmm.
enjoy that. But now every cousin has changed. They have got married and a lot of things. So things are
They,
not the same.
they have their wives and husbands to take care of.
That's right. They have their
They
own
are
life.
busy with them. They have their own responsibilities.
Yes.
Mm,
So how
but
were
that time was amazing. Yeah, as you said that same that we used to go to our granny's house with our cousins. Yeah, it was amazing experience. Even we can't have that experience now. As you
that,
said that everyone is busy with their respective works and everyone has got married and doing something, so they have no time. Even we managed to do so, but that feeling used to be different. That conversation used to be different. Now we can't talk like ghost stories.
that's that's so right. The conversation used to be so different, and
uh,
I think now people, are more engaged in their jobs, because earlier we did not have that much, of the things that you need to go to the job, the corporate culture. We didn't have that earlier.
yeah,
Now
yeah. Uh,
there's more stress.
Okay, so one thing I noticed that your hair is a little bit different, like saints kind of. uh, hairs you have. So is it natural or you have made them in this way?
Okay, so I have made them in the way. There is a
Hmm.
natural method also, but it would take very much time, and maybe it's not the cleanest method.
Yeah, it's like Bob Marley. Do you
Yeah.
know Bob Marley?
So, one time I was scrolling across Pinterest. Do you know
Hmm.
Pinterest?
Interest, no
Pinterest
idea.
is actually an app where you can get a
Hmm.
lot of ideas. You can download it too. Okay, so I
Okay.
was scrolling across Pinterest and looking for hairstyle because I always had different kinds of hairstyles. Okay, first I had boy cut hairstyle, then I had bob cut and whatnot. So now I thought I want to do something different. I don't want to be like everyone else. Then I found these, and then I searched on YouTube how to make them, what things are applicable, and then I made them. So it's been 4 years now. These are on my head.
Okay, that's amazing. I firstly when I saw your pic on that platform, so I wonder that is she from South Africa or somewhere else? Then I
I
got to know
of
about your intro, and then I know that she is also from India, like me.
I am from India. I just like exploring and doing new things.
Yeah, definitely, we should try everything we want to do in our life.
That's
So, do your family like this hairstyle?
well, I actually convinced them, okay, for this.
Oh,
Now also my dad sometimes say, "Why don't you cut your hair?" But I don't listen to them now, right?
I go by my own way.
Yes, I'll go by more. It's okay. I mean, they are chill. They don't
Yeah,
mind.
yeah, that's cool. You are cool parents,
School
can
parents.
say.
Yes. And Mahesh, try to go to the chat box once.
Okay.
Can you see some words and sentences?
I'm unable to get one because I'm using it in my cell phone. So,
Okay, okay, let me help you. So you
okay,
said my village is depended on the agriculture. What's wrong with this sentence?
my village is dependent. I, I don't. I'm not able to correct it.
Okay, there are two things. You can
Hmm.
either say my village depends on agriculture, my village depends on
Hmm.
agriculture, or my village is dependent on agriculture. Can you repeat? My village is dependent.
Dependent. I think I said something the same. My village is dependent on the agriculture.
Okay, you
I
said
didn't
depend.
say depend. I said dependent because it's passive voice. Am I
Okay.
right?
No, no,
Yeah.
no, no. This is not passive. I thought you said depended.
No, no, dependent. I said dependent on the agriculture.
Dependent is an adjective.
Hmm.
Okay, for example, my village is small, my village is huge, my village is pure. Same way, my village is dependent. Adjective.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Also,
Cool.
other way, my village depends on agriculture. Still depends on agriculture. Okay. And
Sure.
what is FAMOUS?
Famous.
Fa, fe, fe,
Famous.
famous.
Famous. Famous.
One
Okay.
more?
Famous.
Yes, perfect.
Hmm.
Okay, and I used a word which means small spaces.
Hmm.
What is that word?
Confined.
Very
You use
good,
confined. Hmm.
very good. What about, when you are not tensed about life at all and you're just like, oh, I'll see what happens next, then what kind of a person are you? I use the
Uh,
word
free as a bird.
and something starts with E, that starts with E.
Uh, easygoing.
Good. You are an
Easygoing.
easygoing person.
You are
Or my
easygoing.
dad, actually, my dad is an easygoing person. He's like, oh, we'll see what will happen. Okay?
uh,
Yes. Then you said culture is live in the villages.
hmm. Culture is alive in the village.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. And how do you say Conversation?
Conversation.
Not conversation.
Conversation. Okay.
Good.
Hmm.
Okay. And do you want to ask me anything else? There are actually some vocabulary here. I tell you a very good word. There's a
Okay.
word here written as blood relative. You know what blood
Okay.
relative is. So something
Yes.
related to it. What do you call your family and friends? My family and friends came on my birthday party. So what
So
other word can you
I
use?
I can say kin.
Okay. Together,
Kin.
what do you say together? Family and friends. Kin is family. What about friends?
Friends for can say like fam, buddy, anything
You
like
can say my kith and kin. Kith and
oh
kin. Kith, kith
kith
and
and
kin.
kin.
Visited.
Yeah,
That's a
definitely.
very nice word.
Mm.
Okay, and do you know what descendants are?
Uh,
Descendants?
I think it's upcoming generation.
Okay, and what about okay, descendants are upcoming generation. What about another words for descendant?
I would say Harbin. No, Harbinger.
We used to, use those words for kings and queens. The dash of the throne are going to help the society. What do you say? Starts with
So,
S.
I can you please repeat the sentence?
Okay, the dash of
Mm,
the throne is
mm,
the seat of the king.
mm,
The
mm.
dash of the throne are going to take care of the kingdom. The descendants, yes. One other word that starts with S.
I know these words, but unable to recall now.
Okay, you can say successors.
Successors, yeah, definitely
Successor,
successor.
predecessor, and
Predecessor, yeah,
descendants, ancestors.
yeah, ancestors, yeah, definitely. Got it.
And do you know what a half brother, half sister is?
No, I don't know. I heard of half girlfriend,
Yes, that's a book.
but never heard of half brother and half girlfriend.
For example, if you have a stepmother,
Mm,
right,
mm,
or a
mm,
stepsis or a step father, and
mm,
your one parent, you are sharing one parent, and one
mm,
parent is different.
mm.
That is a
Okay.
stepsister or stepbrother. For example, if let's say if my mom married another man, okay,
Mm,
so he's my stepdad, and both of them had another girl, okay, so my
mm,
mom is my mom also, and her mom is my mom also. But
mm.
our fathers are different, so that is my half sister.
Okay, I like stepsister and half sister are the same.
Stepsister is totally different. Stepsister means both mom and dad are different.
Oh, like that.
Okay?
In the
So
half sister case, one parent is
this,
common between them.
yes. Okay.
Okay, sure. That's great.
So do you have any questions, Mahesh?
Okay, so you have studied in foreign. So what did you like the most about the other country you have studied in, and what
So I
you like?
I didn't go there. I took the courses from there.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
that can be.
Yes, from online, because now we cannot really go there.
Yeah, it's Corona time.
Yes. Okay. All
So
right.
how is this Corona cases are rising in Delhi? I read somewhere, right?
Yes, so the curfew is still on, right?
I think weekend curfew also there.
Yes, there's weekend curfew, of course, and then, there's curfew on institutions and everything, right?
Mm.
Okay, so Mahesh, I'll be letting you go now. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great evening.
Same to you, same.
Bye.
Okay, good night.
Good night.